All right, here's another example of L'Hopital's rule. If I were to want to evaluate this limit, I would start with direct substitution, and I would find that sine of 0 over 5 times 0 plus 3 sine of 0 is going to give me a 0 over 0. So indeterminate form, that would tell me, hey, go to L'Hopital's rule. So L'Hopital's rule, again, says the derivative of the top. So if that's f, I'll do f prime on top over the derivative of the bottom. Will give me the the value of that limit there. So what is the derivative of sine x? It's cosine x. And then the derivative of 5x is 5. And the derivative of 3 sine x is 3 cosine x. So there we go. And now we can try plugging the 0 in again. When I plug in the 0, I got cosine of 0 over 5 plus 3 cosine of 0. And cosine of 0 is 1. And 5 is 5. And 3 cosine of 0 is 3 times 1, which is 3. So my answer is 1 over 8. And I am done. That's all you got to do. Not too bad. The next example might be a little more tricky. So let's try the next one.